Now to a news for Jack's I-Team investigation. 3 siblings say their mother's death after a fall at a Jacksonville affordable senior community could have been prevented. According to the lawsuit filed in Duval County, a woman died after she tripped and fell on an unsafe elevator at Cathedral Towers downtown. As I-Team investigator Ann Maxwell explains, the family claims management knew there were issues with the elevator. In court filings, the company claims it did nothing wrong.
She was a fun, loving lady. She loved her family. She didn't meet any strangers.
Betty Weich's children claim she was never the same after a fall on an elevator at Cathedral Towers in 2019.
What was her condition like after the fall versus before?
Bedridden.
Bedridden?
Yes, ma'am. My mother was driving, walking around, living. Yes.
According to a lawsuit, she was diagnosed with a traumatic brain injury.
I cried. I was hurt. I felt betrayed for a company to service and have people living there. They're supposed to always have their best interests at heart and to keep the upkeep of the building. And they didn't.
The family turned to an Orlando-based law firm to file a suit claiming the management at Cathedral Towers was negligent. Attorney Bruce Batts provided the I-Team with depositions from former employees.
Employees have testified that management knew this elevator had a hole in the middle of the floor. And they did nothing about it.
One said the elevator floor was damaged when contractors pulled up the planks to take a look at what was underneath, and then construction made it worse. She claims she brought it to the attention of managers who said, "We already know it's going to be addressed during the renovation. We are not paying for that floor because construction messed it up." They said that conversation happened months before Weich's fall. That former employee also estimated the building received more than 10 complaints about the elevator since 2013. The issues included the elevator skipping floors, getting stuck, and not lining up evenly with the floor.
6 inches, maybe 7 inches, 8 inches, whatever, on the floor.
Weich's children said they had previously complained about the elevator themselves.
I went to the front desk several times and complained, and they said they was going to put it in writing and they would get the issue taken care of. And they didn't.
In another deposition, the CEO of the Cathedral Foundation said she was aware of the elevator sometimes not stopping flush with the floor. She estimated 3 residents had come to her with concerns about the elevator being unlevel over a period of about 7 years. In court filings in response, the defendants claim Weiche didn't trip on a hole in the elevator. They also said Weiche herself was negligent and that their actions didn't cause any injuries.
Now you're asking 70, 80, 90-year-old people to go through basically what should be termed as an obstacle course.
Weiche died in July, leaving behind 3 children, 7 grandkids, and 8 great-grandchildren.
This can be your mother, your auntie, it can be anybody, but they're still human.
More than a year after filing suit, Weiche's family says they want to make sure seniors have a safe place to live and that what happened to their mother doesn't happen to anyone else. The Cathedral Towers building has been newly renovated with $14 million worth of work, according to its website. Management has not answered our questions about when that renovation took place. As for this lawsuit, both sides are asking for a jury trial. The manager of this building tells the I-Team they cannot comment on pending litigation. Live downtown, Ann Maxwell, Channel 4, the local station.